Hi everyone, I'm Sudeep. In this video, we will learn about rename operator in MongoDB, which allows us to change the field names without losing any data. In MongoDB, rename operator is used to rename a field name in a document. This is helpful when you want to change a field name without losing its data. Suppose if you want to write a query to rename a field enrollment date to admission date of all the students record in students collection, the query will be like this: db.studentscollection.update many. The first condition will be empty, and the rename operator, the field name is enrollment date, we have to change it to admission date. That will be a value. This will change the field name from enrollment date to admission date. Now just to show you, I have retrieved one student's record. Here you can see there is enrollment date. I have to change this field name from enrollment date to admission date. For this we will use rename operator. db.studentscollection.update many. The first condition should be empty because it has to check the each student's record in the students collection, and that after that I will use a $rename operator. First name it will be the field name, that is the enrollment date. After that, for like it will be admission date. Press enter. In the result we can see the response object, the acknowledge is true. It means the query executed successfully. Matched count is 10 and modified count is 0. So okay, let's check what happened. Okay, the field name that we have entered here is wrong. Let's copy this enroll, ROLLMENTDATE. Okay, admission date. Okay, just press enter. Now you can see the matched count is 10 and modified count is 10. Let's retrieve the first student record from the students collection. Here we can observe the field name enrollment date is renamed to admission date. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.